Hey friends, how are you? And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 simple DIY Christmas ornaments. Now my ornaments aren't just regular ornaments that you hang on a tree, they are also gifts. So I am filling ornaments of different sizes, which I will show you, with different kinds of gifts that you can give people in an ornament. So I thought it would be so cute to hang these gifts on the tree for a party or for Christmas morning, and then the person has to get their ornament off the tree. You can also give them these as gifts. They could put it on their tree and then open it on Christmas. You could do a variety of things. I just thought this would be a really cute idea for a DIY Christmas ornament. Now, Heidi Sambo from Happily Thriving Heidi has put together a hop. A hop is basically where you're going to go from one channel to the next channel to the next channel in order to see everyone's ideas instead of a traditional playlist in the description box. So after my video, you're going to hop over to Sherry from Pretty Simple Sherry's YouTube channel, and she is going to share with you 5 other simple and easy DIY Christmas ornaments. I will have her channel linked at the very end of my video, so stay tuned to the end. I will also have it linked in the description box. And if you're visiting from the other ladies prior to me in the hop, welcome. I'm Julie, and I do DIYs, home decor, and organizing, and I do it all on a budget. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Now let's get to the DIY Christmas ornament. So this first ornament is a bath salt ornament. I am going to just put some Epsom salt that I picked up from the store into a little bowl and use some food coloring to make it a little more fun so it's not just plain white. And I'm just going to mix it up. You're going to see I make a huge mess. I should have used a larger bowl. So I found this really cute ornament at the Dollar Tree, and I think it's perfect for this gift idea. And I'm just going to use a paper plate. You could also use a piece of copy paper or anything like that to make a little funnel. It makes it a little easier to get all of the bath salt into it without making more of a mess than I already made. The second ornament idea I have for you is a gift-filled ornament. I picked up these larger ornaments that I found. These are from Michael's, and they were 50% off. So they were only $1.50 a piece. I tried to keep each ornament kind of as a themed gift and making sure that they were age appropriate. So this first one, I am going to use everything that I am filling these ornaments with, I did find at the Dollar Tree. So I picked up these fuzzy socks. I'm going to use some nail polish and a shower steamer to fill the first ornament.
This second one is for the teen girl that loves her makeup. I am going to fill it with nail polish, some gum, a small candy cane, an eyeshadow. They had these little tiny eyeshadow containers at the Dollar Tree, a lip balm, and a cute little purse-sized mascara. This third gift-filled ornament is for a younger girl that likes to make jewelry. I just filled it with beads that I found from the Dollar Tree, as well as these alphabet beads. And I chose one of the strings off of this set and put it in the ornament, as well as a few hair ties and a mini candy cane. Oh, I also added a few of the festive little erasers that they had in a package. For the third simple gift ornament idea, I am again using these ornaments from Michaels, and I'm going to make single serving hot cocoa ornaments. You could also get creative with what you want to add to your hot cocoa, but I'm using a pre-packaged serving size of the hot cocoa so that there isn't too much hot cocoa, not enough for a cup. It's already pre-packaged. I thought this was a great idea instead of just pouring a bunch of hot cocoa into the ornament. And I'm going to just keep it simple using some mini marshmallows, some mini chocolate chips, and some crushed candy canes. I also had meant to put some Christmas sprinkles in it, and I totally forgot to. But you could be totally creative, use different colored candy canes. You could use white chocolate instead of the mini regular milk chocolate or chocolate chips. You could do a lot of fun things with this. The fourth one is so simple. I am just going to fill different ornaments with various candies and even some holiday gummies. Most of these candies were from the Dollar Tree, other than the M&Ms right here. These ones were just from the grocery store. And you're going to see that I tried these ball candies, chocolate candies, and they did not fit in either one of these ornaments. So I had to go get the really large ones if I wanted to use it. The gummies also didn't fit in these smaller ones. But this is pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to fill the ornaments with whatever kind of candy that you want or that the person you're giving the gift to would like. Now for the final idea I have for you, it is a dip mix ornament. I just picked up some pre-mixed mixes. I printed out some printable tags, which I will link in the description box below for you, and some festive rope or ribbon. Now you could make your own mix with different seasonings and follow a recipe, but I wanted this to be super quick and so easy. So tell me down in the comments below, out of the 5 different ideas that I shared, is there any that you really liked or that you actually even think that you will use to make gifts for people this Christmas? Please let me know down in the comments. Also, this is pretty much the end of my 5 simple ideas. So it is time now for you to hop on over to Sherry's channel, which is right here, and go see what ornaments she has for you. Now, to finish the entire hop, you're going to want to follow all the channels back to my channel. And once you get back to my channel, you'll know that you have made it all the way through the hop. Guys, I really appreciate you watching. Have a blessed day and Merry Christmas.